Hey, I'm Lumi. I see you've got a lesson on properties of exponents ready to go. Want to dive into that? Or is there something else you'd like to work on? Alright, the lesson is loading up now. This should just take a moment. Perfect. Let's jump in. Let's start with something fundamental. When you multiply x cubed times x squared, what do you think happens to those exponents? Exactly. When you multiply powers with the same base, you add the exponents. Now, what do you think happens when you divide powers with the same base? Like x to the fifth divided by x squared. That's right. When dividing, you subtract the exponents. Nice! Now here's a trickier one. What happens if you raise a power to another power, like x squared, all raised to the third power? Perfect! You multiply them together. You're crushing this. Let me show you one more interesting case. What do you think x to the 0 equals? Ah, got it. No worries. Yes, any base to the 0 power equals 1. This comes from the division rule. If you divide x to the 2 by x to the 2, you get 1, but using our subtraction rule, it's also x to the 0. Want to try some practice problems with these properties? Great! Let me get your first practice problem ready. It's generating now. Alright, here's your first problem. Simplify this expression. What should we tackle first? The numerator or the whole thing at once? Nice start. You've got x to the negative 3 times x to the fifth in the numerator. Perfect! So now you have x squared over x squared. What does that simplify to? Exactly right! Perfect work. The answer is x to the 0, which equals 1. Ready for the next problem?